Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the DCM file and a viewer ready. First, make a copy in a convenient folder so you preserve the original. Next, open your chosen DICOM viewer. On Windows, use Radiant or Weesees. On Mac OS, use Horos. Once the app is open, use File Open or drag and drop the copied DCM into the window. As you do this, the viewer indexes the header so you can navigate slices and metadata immediately. Once the file loads, inspect the series list and confirm orientation and slice count so you understand the dataset. Then adjust window and level to reveal anatomy, zoom and pan to focus, and enable MPR to see axial, coronal, and sagittal planes. Make sure you check metadata for study date and acquisition parameters because they explain voxel size and spacing. If you need measurements, select the ruler tool and set units. Those values to finish, export images or convert to a research format like N if TI if you plan quantitative work. Use the viewer's export or save as function. Save your session or structured report and anonymize sensitive fields before sharing. If the viewer cannot open the DCM, check the file's transfer syntax and whether it's a single frame versus multi-frame DICOM. Make sure your viewer supports that profile. If problems persist, try another viewer or convert with a command line tool to reveal file-level errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.